At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, October 26, 2023, 2 big reasons RKLB stock is up today. It might not be a long time before RKLB stock blasts off. RKLB USA is rising today for 2 key reasons. It has received a positive upgrade from a Wall Street firm that sees its potential. But the company has been cleared by regulators to resume launches. Is RKLB USA, Nasdaq RKLB, about to blast off? One firm thinks so. Cantor Fitzgerald recently issued a bullish take on RKLB stock, naming it as a potential winner of the new space race. The penny stock is still recovering from a difficult year, but it has been showing signs of a turnaround in 2024. Now it seems that Wall Street is noticing, which may provide exactly the boost that RKLB needs to permanently shake off the problems it has faced. Even after last month's launch failure, RKLB is in a good position as it prepares for a new year. Cantor Fitzgerald's upgrade isn't the only good news for RKLB investors, though. Yesterday also brought a highly encouraging update. The Federal Aviation Administration has cleared it to resume launches. If there are no further complications, RKLB could be a 2024 breakout stock as it sends more rockets into space. RKLB stock is cleared for takeoff. These positive updates have created some excellent momentum for RKLB stock today. As of this writing, it is up 4.5% for the day and looks primed to continue rising. After a highly volatile week, the company is finally demonstrating the type of growth that investors want to see. The prospect of further launches in the fairly near future could be enough to keep it going, taking RKLB above the penny stock level. Despite the in-flight anomaly on September 19, Cantor Fitzgerald is more focused on RKLB's successes than its failures. In a note to investors, the company's analysts stated that they believe RKLB benefits from a proven and successful launch track record, a diversified and recurring customer base, and multiple launch complexes with vertical integration. On top of all that, the stock still trades at less than $5 per share, which could create a tempting point of entry for investors who don't mind some risk. Investors can also take comfort in the fact that RKLB launch license is still active, as confirmed by the FAA. This is an important step for the company as it maneuvers to ensure that its problems from the September launch do not persist. Founder and CEO Peter Beck issued the following statement. After more than 40 launches, Electron is a proven, mature design with a well-established manufacturing process behind it, so we knew the fault was going to be something complex and extremely rare that hasn't presented in testing or flight before. Our investigation team with FAA oversight has worked around the clock since the moment of the anomaly to uncover all possible root causes, replicate them in test, and determine a path for corrective actions to avoid similar failure modes in future. What comes next? There's a key takeaway from the recent FAA news that investors should keep in mind. As Investor Place contributor Matthew Farley recently noted, expecting every single launch a company like RKLB's attempts to succeed is not realistic. The market overreacted to the September incident, but now the company has shown it can take the necessary steps to correct errors. To dismiss RKLB stock as a space race standout simply because of one launch failure would be a mistake. As Cantor Fitzgerald noted, the company's track record is ultimately one of success. When RKLB demonstrates its capabilities to investors in the near future, it will likely send shares shooting up. Thanks for watching.